He does not understand. He is breaking the laws of God. One of the things that's in the scriptures, the Bible says that, what does that profit a man if he gains the whole world, suffer the loss of his soul? Naintindihan ba niya magkaluluwa siya? I don't think so. Why? What is the reason? Because by free will, he chose darkness over God, or the devil, or Satan, whatever you want. Some of us are what is called by the Americans the walking dead. Who is the walking dead? The walking dead is you, me, for example, who live a life and choose the darkness instead of God. PBBM is one of them. Bakit ko nasabi yun? He breaks every human law possible, let alone, di niya naintindihan ng higher law. All our human laws is based on a higher law. Di ba naintindihan ng tao yan? When a man possesses power, hindi na niya alam kung anong gawin. Instead of enjoying life, because hindi niya alam lahat yung biyaya binigay sa kanila, the family, the reputation, the wealth, the whatever, galing ba sa kanila yon? No. No. Now, he doesn't understand that. Therefore, what will happen to him, I don't know. God is the ultimate judge. Kung masabi ng mga tao, karma na yan. Karma is not a punishment na pinarusahan ka dahil ginawa mo yan. Just like human law. Karma is just the fulfillment of the law. Karma actually is, in universal law, it's called, or in the Bible, what you sow, you shall reap.